I uploaded a video recently and it's actually doing well, and so many people have been asking me what is the secret behind this video and how am I able to get my video to go viral within few days. This is literally the secret. I discovered this some moments ago. I implemented it on that particular video so that my video will be able to be listed under YouTube recommendation, which is very favorable for every YouTube creator on this space. Trust me, if YouTube recommendation, YouTube search is working for your video or more, you have gone. Either the video is going viral now or not. Trust me, if it is under YouTube recommendation and YouTube search, if these two things are picking your videos, one day your video is going to go viral. So let me talk about how YouTube recommendation work. As soon as you drop your content on YouTube, there is something YouTube usually do. It picks it and puts it in the face of people that have actually been viewing your videos before. Once one or two people are able to click on it and believe that okay, this is a good video, and it will easily pick it and push it to other persons. Now let me show you the reasons why YouTube has not been picking your videos. Maybe you've checked your video analytics on your YouTube studio and you're not seeing that YouTube is recommending your videos at all. I will show you what you have been doing wrong and how best to do it now, so that YouTube can start picking your videos for recommendation. Hello, welcome here, wonderful people. My returning subscribers, I greet you. God bless you. Thanks for your like, comments, share, and always coming up to check my videos every time. I really respect that. My new viewers, welcome here. I am Yinka Adebayo. On this YouTube channel, I create content that help you with your content creation journey. You said that right. Okay, so here we vibe, we talk, we treat so many things you need to know about YouTube channel and more. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel, hit the notification bell so you'll be the first person to get notified anytime I drop this kind of helpful content. And do not forget to like, comment, and let me know in the comment section that you actually subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'm going to come right there to give you a welcome hug. Yes. For YouTube to recommend your video, you want to make sure you upload the video correctly so that it's going to help YouTube algorithm to understand you better. This is how to upload your video correctly for YouTube recommendation. You want to go to your Chrome browser or any of your browser and search for YouTube Studio's desktop site. Click on create to upload videos. If you try to upload your video here directly like this, so this is the video I try to upload directly. Can you see this? This is the video right here. Can you see the file name? But this is what I used to do, okay? So this is what I used to do. I'll go to my gallery. This is my gallery right here, and this is the video. Okay, I will click the settings and rename it. Just try and rename it. Okay, so the name I'm going to give it is the title I want to give it on YouTube. After renaming the video, this is my thumbnail for the video. So I'm going to also rename this thumbnail before I take it to the studio. Okay, so you see that I've renamed the thumbnail successfully and I have renamed the video successfully. So I'm back on the studio right now and try to upload. So you see here, it already picked the title itself, and the title is showing here, high profitable niche. Okay, this is just going to also help the algorithm to understand your video, and it's going to help you also with recommendation. So all I need to do here is to include my description of the video, upload thumbnail here. So here is my thumbnail. So once you're done with the thumbnail, these are the other things I do. I create playlists as per the content. It's very good. It's going to make YouTube also to be able to recommend your playlist. Let me know in the comment section if you have come across any of my playlists on YouTube search. Here is content creation strategy. I will just keep this video in here, but if you don't have playlist, this is new playlist. You can create it right here, you see. So I'll click on done. So once I click on done, then I will go ahead and say no, it's not made for kids, because I want people to comment.
So the next thing I will do is to click on show more here. There is much advantages using this YouTube Studio site to upload your video. The only thing I can use YouTube Studio app for is to just check my analytics and try to adjust, you know, one or two things on my video just to make sure the video keep picking and gaining more tractions. So that is what I use that for. Let's scroll. This is the most important part of this video. You have to add tag. So how do you get your tag? Just tag is just, you know, going to help you in case some of your, like your title is something that someone can easily misspell once they want to search for your video. Maybe for example, somebody wants to search for African folktale stories, and instead of folktales, the person is writing folktale. So if you put folktale in your tag, you know, your video is going to show once that person is searching. Do you understand? So that is what this is meant for. So you want to include everything that has to do with this video in here. So what are the samples of tag you can put in here based on my video? Let's check. My title says high profitable niche. So here I'll just put everything that has to do with profitable niche, because here we have YouTube algorithm. People will be searching for that, you know. I'll keep comma YouTube, because it's all about YouTube. Then I can put content creation, comma. I can put profitable niche, which is the title. Profitable niche, comma. I can put, you know, just think about it. High CPM. Yes, high CPM. Okay, so all this I'm putting here has to do with the video. So the best thing for you to do is to understand what your video is all about. I'm going to show you one special thing also before this video ends. Okay, so what I need you to do is to like this video. Please drop a comment that you are learning. It's going to help the algorithm to push this content to other people that really want to understand this too. Please do that for me. Okay, you know I love you all. And if you are new here, please subscribe to our channel for more interesting content like this. God bless you. So these are the things I do to make my video go recommended. So under category here, we have how to install. If your video is all about teaching somebody what to do, so definitely you're using education or how to install. Okay, so moving from here, we want ratings, we want comment on our video. So what we do here is to click on next. Okay, so we are all done here. All you need to do is to just click on next, and from there you can be able to upload your videos.
These are the things you want to also take note of so that YouTube can easily recommend your video. You want to stop doing this. We are all guilty of this, including myself, but I have stopped it, and that is why you see that video go viral. Before, I used to upload my video, immediately I upload this video, I'm picking my link to share everywhere and broadcasting it on external apps. You upload your video, and after uploading your video, you want to wait for at least 30 minutes. Wait for at least 30 minutes, okay? So either you have views from YouTube recommendation or not. Wait for 30 minutes after sending the video in, and once you do that, now you can now pick your link and share to external. With this, you have actually tell YouTube that, okay, I have handed over the work for you. Go ahead and push my video. Another things you want to be adding so that YouTube can recommend your video the more is that you want to be adding end screen on your videos. This is just a thing that appears after you watch your video to a point, maybe towards the end, so it appears so the person can actually click on it. So this is going to expand your click rates the more, and it's going to make YouTube understand that your channel is a proper channel. It's going to help promote your videos the more. The time I started using end screen, I now see that my other videos that I posted a long time ago but appear under the end screen are actually picking up now. YouTube actually love the fact that people can come here on YouTube space and watch numerous videos. Do you get? So the more people watch your video, YouTube will understand that, okay, let's push this content out the more. Let's make sure that people are coming to watch this video the more. And that is the beauty of getting your videos recommended. So if you have done what I've showed you now, then you're on the right track. If you need a tutorial on how to go about adding end screen, let me know in the comment section. I will create a video on that and show you how to do that. So this is going to recommend other videos. I want to start adding end screen to your videos so that your video can get recommended the more. And in case you still have any question or worry, you're not sure of whatever, let me know in the comment section as well, so I can be able to create a content on it and explain to you what exactly to do with my little knowledge, like I said, because we are all learning here. And trust me, anything I see that is working for me or working for other people that I'm sure of, confirmed it, I will surely bring it to the table for you to also learn from it, implement it on your YouTube channel, so you can also get into the game properly. So I'll be hosting a free class on WhatsApp to explain everything I know about YouTube to you, so you can also get to testify as other people has been testifying on WhatsApp community. So you want to join my WhatsApp community, a link is in the description box. Just click on it and you will automatically be redirected to my WhatsApp. So we're now in the end of the video. If you want to know the buttons to turn on so YouTube can start recommending your videos, this is the video you want to watch here. Also, if you want to create YouTube channel, you watch this video. If you want to go into African folktale stories niche and you don't know how to go about it, I've created a content that will guide you on that. So this is the video right here. You want to go and watch it. Please like this video, comment on the comment section so that YouTube algorithm will understand that this is a very good video and push it to other people so that they can also get to learn from this video. Thank you so much for your time. Thanks for watching to the end, and I will surely see you in the next one. Right then, bye.